back to the broadcast.
Okay, guys, so as I told a lot of y'all, I was in LA last weekend, and so I rented a car, because LA, like, even if you don't want to sit in traffic, you sit in traffic, so a 5-minute ride can turn into
And you have to drive everywhere. It's much like Dallas. It's much like, you know, you have to drive.
So I rented a car, and me and my girlfriend Tori are meeting friends for dinner, and we're in the car, and a cop pulls me over, and I'm like, oh my God, and I'm on the phone getting directions of where I'm headed. I'm like, oh my God, 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 I'm getting pulled over. Like, and I just have anxiety because I think I'm a good driver, think being the operative word. And so I get pulled over, the cop comes around, let me see your license registration. So I hand him my license, and I'm like, this is actually a rental car. I'm not from here, and so I don't have any insurance. I have the insurance, I guess, with Avis or whatever. And he goes, so you're not from here? I go, no, sir, I'm not. And he goes, so you don't know the rules on the phone while you're behind the wheel?
Did he have a mustache? Because they all do. All the ones that aren't nice have a mustache. Anyway, go ahead.
And I go, well, in Texas, you just can't text and drive or be on the phone when you're in a school zone, but otherwise it's fine. He goes, well, it's not that way here. You need to put that phone down immediately. And the phone is my phone is literally still in my lap, like lit up. Like the person that I was talking to is still there. And I'm like, so I need to hang up. Can I put like my headphone in? He's like, I don't care what you do. You just can't be on that phone while you're behind the wheel. And it scared me
but
because
you can be on Bluetooth. You just can't
be on Bluetooth,
right.
yeah.
Wireless.
Yeah.
But it scared me because I thought I was going to get a ticket. And I'm like, how was I supposed to know the rules in other states of renting a car? But we were talking about texting and driving, that there's 40 states that this is illegal in, and Texas isn't one of them yet.
And that's what
should be. It's just such death. It's so, you know, there was a horrible accident, and it was in Texas, and I think it was on the news last night. A Ford Explorer had 4 teenagers in it, and the father, who was driving on a 2-lane road and veered over into the left-hand lane into an oncoming pickup. Now, what would have made him veer off the road? A heart attack? Or
falling asleep at the wheel, or texting.
Or texting.
I was driving down the tollway today, and there was this lady that was like not going. I was trying to get in front of her, and I look over, and she's like, I'm like, we are on the tollway, ma'am. Like, I wanted to be like,
oh, I will honk at people. I will honk at people and wave my phone at them. Like, put your phone down.
But check this out. 85% of Texans say that cell phone use, texting, should be banned.
Right. So
why is it not?
Yeah,
why?
That's a good question.
I know.
Why?
I don't know.
11 teenagers die every day on the road in Texas because of texting.
Wow.
So why?
Yeah, why wouldn't
why aren't our legislators doing something about it? If we as citizens feel this way, why aren't we doing more?
Hopefully they will, and I know that a number of state senators have introduced bills that
look at this.
Talk about this issue. Yeah, following
this
a
is in
texter in a
Arkansas.
car.
This is what happens. So, of course, I'm a mother of a 17-year-old.
Clearly is texting.
Yeah.
I mean,
that drives.
Weaving it out. And you know what scares me about
driving.
it? I was just going to say, you know, you see somebody driving like that on the road, and you think, oh my gosh, they're drunk. And I've actually had a situation like that before, where I've called 911 and said, and told them where I was, and said, I'm following this person, and they're like crazy drunk. Yeah. And who knows? You know, they're probably texting. It's our addiction to social media.
It is.
Our addiction.
But you got to get that text in. You got to respond to
everything's
that.
so urgent.
Do you remember the commercials for not texting and driving, and you'd see like the text that was sent by a teenager right before they were killed in a crash?
Oh, yes.
Like LOL.
Oh,
or,
listen, that was so powerful.
Horrible, horrible.
Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. Stop